How to fix Omegle I'm Not a Robot. First thing first, head over to the web browser that you use Omegle. So you're on the official page of Omegle. Now what you want to do is tap on this three dot at the top right corner. Head over to settings. Scroll down and move into site settings. Once again scroll down and you'll find the option of third-party cookies. Head over to it. So right here what you need to do is tap on allow third-party cookies. Once you have allowed the cookies, go back to your previous page. And then here move into third-party sign-in. You need to make sure that you have enabled this option. Also tap on this add site exception. Right here you need to enter the site of Omegle. So enter omegle.com and then tap on add. Now just tap on this website and then click on allow. Now the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to camera. You need to make sure that the camera option is enabled. Once it has been enabled, now the next thing you want to do is head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for the browser that you use Omegle. Tap on this app. So right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update the application to the latest version and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is all you want to do in order to fix Omegle I'm Not a Robot. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.